Should I start in the centre and work my way out, or should I start on the outside of the dent and work my way into the centre? That is a question I get asked all the time. So in today's video, I'm going to do my best to give you the answer. Stay tuned. Welcome back, I'm Tom with Learn PDR Online, and in today's video I'm going to try and answer this age-old question of should I start in the centre and work out, or start on the outside and work in. So here goes. Now, one of the reasons this question gets asked a lot is because there is no definitive right or wrong. However, I'm going to give you my process, kind of a general rule to follow, which hopefully sheds a little bit of light on the situation. So if I am starting on a small round dent or anything that has kind of a decent depth to it or is a sharp dent, I am nearly always starting in the centre and I'm working my way out. So if I've got a small round dent or a small sharp dent, I'm going to go straight for that centre point, gradually work that centre up. Once I've got the centre up, I then focus on the rest of the damage and work outwards, blending my repair area into the existing panel. Now, when it comes to fixing anything larger than that small dent, so say medium or large damage, that's when I'll probably change tactics. Usually if working kind of medium to large damage, I'm starting from the outside and then I'm gradually reducing that damage down so it ends up as a fairly small dent or a number of small dents in the finishing stages. So on moderate to large damage, I'm working outside, reducing the damage down to a small dent. But then when I do get those small dents in the finishing stages, once again, I'm generally going straight for that center point and just picking out the lows in the small round dents. So hopefully that sheds a little bit of light onto that question, or at least gives you my kind of thought process and a general rule of thumb to follow when you're going out on the road, looking at dents, wondering should I start outside work in or work inside and work out. Hopefully that all makes sense. I really appreciate you watching my videos. If you do enjoy them, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like their video, and of course you can click that subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it, it helps my channel grow. So that's it from me today, just a quick short video answering that question, and I'll see you in the next one.